Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl Crochet. In this video we're going to see how to crochet the simple and beautiful floral earrings. It's a super simple and easy pattern. You can make these earrings in minutes, and if you want a free written pattern of these earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. If you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram, and you can find many more cute patterns on my profile. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. For making these earrings, I'm using this cotton crochet thread. It's a 8mm crochet thread. You can find this thread in Amazon, or you can also find them in Hobby Lobby. And I'm using 1.25mm crochet hook, and I'll need some earring hoops, scissors, and we'll need to block this earring. So I'll be using Elmer school glue for this blocking these earrings. So you can find any two colors that work for you. So I'm just picking the orange color here. So I'll be working magic ring with my 1.25mm crochet hook, and after that I'll be working a chain 3 on the magic ring. So this chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet. So we need 14 double crochets around the magic ring, since we have already worked our chain 3, which is considered as our first double crochet. I'm going to go ahead work 13 more double crochets around the magic ring. So altogether we'll have 14 double crochets around the magic ring. So go ahead work 13 more double crochets after your chain 3. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So I'm just counting the number of double crochets here. Once I have 14 double crochets including my chain 3, I'm just going to tighten my magic ring, and I'll work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round. So after I worked a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3, I'm going to go ahead, tighten the magic ring even more and secure it with a knot. After this, we'll have to change the color. So if you prefer to work this earring in single color, you may do so. Or if you want another color, you can change the color of the crochet thread at this point, and then secure the yarn thread. I'm just working a knot with my color 1. After that, I'm gonna go ahead work chain 4. After I have worked chain 4, I'm going to work 4 triple crochets on the next stitch. I'm going to go ahead work 4 triple crochets on the next stitch, which is the one that I pointed right now. This stitch. So I'm going to go ahead work 4 triple crochets on the stitch, which is the next stitch. That's my first triple crochet. I'm gonna go ahead, work 3 more triple crochets on the same stitch. So after my 4th triple crochet, I'm gonna work a chain 4 and work a slip stitch on the next stitch. So that is my first petal here. Next I'm again gonna work a chain 4 and again I'm gonna work 4 triple crochets on the next stitch. That's my first triple crochet. I'm gonna go ahead, work 3 more triple crochets on the same stitch. Worked my 4 triple crochets here. I'm gonna work chain 4 and then work a slip stitch on the next stitch. So my second petal is also ready. So I'm gonna repeat this around. I'm gonna work a chain 4 again and then I'll work 4 triple crochets on the next stitch. Once again I'm gonna work a chain 4 and work a slip stitch on the next stitch. Again work a chain 4 and repeat this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So at the end you'll be having 7 petals. So I have worked my 4 last I'm at the end of my last petal here. So I'll finish it by working a chain 4 and then slip stitch where I have started off this round with, which is my starting chain 4. After that you'll work slip stitch and weave the ends. I'm just going to weave the ends here. So I'm just snipping off all the odd bits of yarn here and our flower is ready. Go ahead, follow this tutorial and make one more of this flower. So you need 2 for the earrings and as you can see the flower is so wobbly, we need to block them using white glue. I'm using Elmer School glue here. So what I'll do is I'll use 1 part of glue and 2 parts of water, mix them together and dip my work in there and then air dry it for 24 hours. So this should block your flower and they become stiff. So this is my blocked flowers here. They are very stiff now. So now it's time to attach the earring hoops. I have worked in one more color. So if you prefer you can work in the same color as well. So I'm just adding my earring hoops here. And after this I'm just adding the hoops to any of these 4 triple crochets that we worked. Just center them and add your hoops. So you can find these hoops in Michaels or even Amazon. So that's it, our earring is ready. You can make plenty of them in different colors, and they are perfect for the summer. So try them and let me know your comments. And if you like this video, do give a like, and do follow my channel for more fun tutorials. If you try this earrings, just let me know, um, did you like them or not. And that's it. You can find many more free written pattern in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com, and you can also find the free written pattern of this earring in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.